A lot of smartphones have got a price cut recently, so if you're looking to buy a phone for about 15,000 rupees, sit back and watch this video because I'm going to tell you about 5 smartphones that you can buy for that price. I'm Rahul Sethi, you're watching India Today Tech, subscribe. So the first smartphone that I would recommend you is the Nokia 6.1 Plus, and it comes with stock Android under the Android One project, so you get updates for 2 years. The best part about the phone is that it's very handy. It's built solid with a metal and glass design and offers you a notch display and all the latest bells and whistles you'd expect in an Android smartphone. It is available at 15,500 on the Nokia store, and you'll find it at 16,000 rupees on Flipkart. Next, the Mi A2 from Xiaomi also got a heavy price cut recently and is available at 13,999 for the base 4GB 64GB model. This one is also under Android One project, so you get guaranteed upgrades for 2 years, and the camera on the Mi A2 is unbeatable for the price. Also, the chipset on Mi A2 is Snapdragon 660, which is slightly better compared to the Nokia 6.1 Plus, so it can run PUBG quite well, although the phone misses out on a headphone jack and does not support expandable storage. Next, Xiaomi's Redmi Note 6 Pro is also an amazing smartphone to buy at its price of 12,999 for the 464GB variant. The hardware configuration is same as Nokia 6.1 Plus, but you get slightly better cameras, and at the front you get dual camera setup, which allows you to take portrait selfies as well. The notch display on the smartphone has very vivid colors and good brightness levels, but the phone still has dated micro USB port and does not support fast charging. Now, the Redmi Note 6 Pro is a big and bulky smartphone. It not only has a 4000 mAh battery, but it has a plastic metal hybrid body which gives more bulk to it. In comparison, the Realme 2 Pro is slightly more comfortable to use. It's lighter and has a plastic body overall. At the back, it uses polycarbonate, which looks like glass and reflects light, but it's still built out of plastic overall. But in terms of cameras and display, Realme 2 Pro is slightly better. The display has amazing brightness levels and great contrast to offer, and the rear camera again is one of the best things about the device. It is powered by Snapdragon 660, so gaming is not a problem, but it runs Oppo's Color OS on top of Android 8.1, and that can be counted as one of its not so impressive features. And that problem is solved by the Zenfone Max Pro M2 that was recently announced by ASUS at 12,999. Although the variant you get at 12,999 has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, which is half of what you get on the Realme 2 Pro. But anyways, the interface it runs is closer to stock, so things are pretty easier. The phone's camera and display is not as amazing as the Realme 2 Pro, so you might want to take a look at that before selecting the right phone. I've made a comparison video of Realme's cameras with the Zenfone Max Pro M2, so be sure to check that out. And out of all these smartphones, Xiaomi's Mi A2 is the only phone to support fast charging, although it does not come bundled with a fast charger and you need to buy it separately. So these are the 5 smartphones you can select right now for about 15,000 rupees. Many of you have asked me if Nokia 5.1 Plus is also the right smartphone to buy at 11,000 rupees. So I would suggest you buy the Realme U1 that has better displays and camera, unless you want to go for stock Android interface. But again, the Realme U1 in comparison to the Realme 2 Pro has inferior chipset to offer. If you have any smartphone to add to the list, let us know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.